Find the area of the triangle formed by the straight lines 2x plus y minus 4 is equal to 0, 3x plus 2y minus 5 is equal to 0, and x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Here is given lines are, this is first line a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, and this is the second line a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. This is a3x plus b3y plus. First we find delta. Delta is equal to a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2 a3 b3 c, that is equal to 2 1 minus 4 3 2 minus 5 1 1 1. So that is equal to 2 into plus 5 minus 1 into 3 plus 5 minus 4 into 3 minus 2 equal to 2 into 7, that is 14 minus 8 minus 4 into 1 minus 14 minus 12. Now we find delta 1. Delta 1 is equal to component of a1 b1 a2 b2 equal to 1 b2 equal to 4 minus 3. Find delta 2 equal to a2 b2 a3 b3 a2, that is 3 2 1 1. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. The delta 3 is equal to a1 b1 a3 b3 is equal to 1 1 1 equal to minus 1 is equal to 1. Now required area of the triangle formed by the lines is delta square by modulus of delta 1 delta 2 delta 3, that is delta square is 4 by 2 into delta 1 into 1 into 4 by 2, that is equal to 2 square, the area of the triangle formed by the lines. Find the area of the triangle formed by the lines 2x minus y minus 5 is equal to 0, x minus 5y plus 11 is equal to 0, x plus y minus 1 is. Here first line equation is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. The third line a3x plus b3y plus c3 is equal. First we find delta. Delta is equal to a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c a3 b equal to 2 minus 1 minus 5 1 minus 5 7 1 1 is equal to 2 into 5 minus 11 plus 1 into minus 1 minus 11 minus 5 into 1 plus 5. So that is equal to 2 into 5 minus 11 minus 6 into 2 minus 2 minus 12 minus 30 minus 50. We find delta 1. Delta 1 is equal to a1 b1 a2 equal to 2 minus 1 1 minus equal to minus 10 plus 1 equal to minus 9. To find delta 2 is equal to a2 b2 a3 equal to 1 minus 5 1 1 equal to 1 plus 5 is equal. The delta 3 is equal to a1 b1 a3 b3 equal to 2 minus 1 equal to 2 plus 1. Therefore required area is equal to modulus of delta square by 2 delta 1 delta 2 delta. Delta square is 54 into 54 5. 2 into delta 1 minus 9 into 6 into 2 27 times cancelled. 9 into 3 27 27 cancelled. 6 8 times cancelled. 8 into 60 plus of this value equal to 8 square unit. If minus 2 comma 6 is the image of the point 4 comma 2 with respect to the line L is equal to 0, then L is equal to dash. This MSET 2002 question. Here is given minus 2 comma 6 is the image of the point 4 comma 2. 4 comma 2 the minus 2 comma 6. So here minus 2 comma 6 is the image of 4 comma 2. Then with respect to the line L is equal to 0. This is the line. Observe that line is the perpendicular bisectors of joining the point capital A 4 comma 2 and capital B minus 2 comma 6. Capital A is x1 y1, the capital B is x2 y2. The equation of the perpendicular bisector is 2x into x1 minus x2 plus 2y into y1 minus y2 equal to 1 square plus y1 square minus x2 square minus y2 square. 2x into x1 minus x2, 4 plus 2 plus 2y into y1 minus y2 minus 6 equal to x1 square 16 plus y1 square 4 minus x2 square 4 plus y2 square 4 cancelled equal to minus 20. This is 4 plus 2 into 2x, that equal x minus 2 minus 6 minus 4 minus into plus minus 4 into 2 8y plus 20 is equal to, take 4 common, 3x minus 2y plus 5 is equal 3x minus 2y plus 5 is equal. This is the equation of line L is equal to 0. The image of minus 7 by 5 comma minus 6 by 5 in a line is 1 comma 2. Then the equation of the line is dash. MSET 2014 question. Here is the image of minus 7 by 5 comma minus 6 in a line is 1 comma 2. Point minus 1 by 5 comma minus 6 by 5 taken as A. Image of this is the B point. This is 1 comma 2. Then the equation of the line is, this is the equation of this line. Observe this line L is equal to 0. Line is the perpendicular bisector of joining the points capital A and capital B. So equation of perpendicular bisector, if capital A is x1 y1, capital B is x2 y2. Equation is 2x into x1 minus x2 plus 2y into y1 minus y2 equal to x1 square plus y1 square minus x2 square minus y2. Substituting the AB points in this equation, 2x into x1, that is minus 7 by 5 minus 1 plus 2y into minus 6 by 5 minus 2 is x1 square 49 by 25 plus y1 square 36 by 25 minus x2 square minus y2 square. 2x into, take LCM, that is minus 12 by 5 plus 2y into minus 16 by 5 equal to 49 plus 36 minus 5 into 20 minus 120, that is minus 24 minus 32y by 5 equal to 49 plus 36 85 minus 125 minus 40 by 20. Here 5 times cancel, 5 8 times cancel, equal to 24x plus 32y minus 8 is equal to 0. Take 8 common, that is 3x plus 4y minus 1 is equal to x plus 4y is equal to answer. Their third option is